First back. Jersey number 24, the Season 1 MVP, Sumagaysay. Logo Boy. And the Baruta crowd.
Ang vlogger. Ang vlogger.
Si Rukabanga.
The big boy.
The big boy. Sibay. Cardano. Up. From so up, my friend. Rebound goes to Jaylord. Bakotok to MVP. 1. Yes. Very easy layup for Sumagaysay. Season 1 MVP. Underneath. No good. Big rebound by Logo Boy to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay rushing away. Penetrate. Yes. Continue to rim from Sumagaysay. 2 consecutive 2 points. Overall 4 points. Plus bonus free throw for Sumagaysay. Ready for rebound. Final throw. Ready. Yes. Plus 1. 3 points play for Sumagaysay. GDR rushing away. Continue jump shot. No good. Big rebound. Goes to Angelina. Pass break to Sumagaysay. Another rushing away. Up. Another foul from Sibay. Second personal foul. Numero 0. Number ng mga bakod. Westbrook on the move. Unang tira. Wala. Second throw for Sumagaysay. Yup, no good. Rebound for GDR to Sibay. Sibay naghahanap ng papasahan. Underneath. 1 dribble. Binali. Yes! Ang galing naman. May kasama pang foul. Basket count. Number 5. First personal foul. Bonus shot for numero 21. Bakotok again. Proud from Banate. Op. Steal by Sibay. Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Dumiretso. Umatake. Op. Another foul. Third personal foul. Tatlo ka na, pre. Tatlo ka na. Dua na lang. Dua na lang. Gadali, gadali, gadali. What aggressive for Sibay. A defensive player. Unang tira. Yes. Plus 1 for Jaylord. One of the strongest team of this league. Jaylord. Bonus. Another second throw. Yes. Nothing but net. Sumagaysay, mukhang running for MVP na naman. Gaborno to underneath perimeter. Wala. Rebound numero 13. Big rebound goes to Jaylord. Pass break to Gaborno. Gaborno. The middle stop. Underneath. Up. Still. Back to GDR. 10 to shoot. Gaborno jump shot. No good. Rebound goes to. Up. There's a whistle. It's a foul from GDR. Kala mo makakalusot ka, veterano ang referee yan, ha? Kahit nakapikit, shoot.
First foul,
13, first foul. Nagkotok to Angelina, perimeter, from the long range.
Counted.
Counted.
2 points. Dos lang. 2 points. Number 0-5.
Underneath. Numero 25. Get outside. 21. Tumira. What a block. Ang galing naman nun. What a veteran's move. Palutang-lutang. Ang tagal sa ere. Bakotok. Easy ball by Bakotok. Defense by Sibay. To Sumagaysay from the long range. Wow! Posket. Nakapahuwa isang malawig. Bumalik ang laro. Gaborno. Perimeter. Yes, no good. Another second chance from J-Lord. Bakotok to Sumagaysay. What a team plays. Ang galing naman ng pasahan nun. Parang si Kobe kag si Brian. Kobe Brian. Underneath, 21. Guarded by Bakotok. Back to Gaborno. Gaborno, penetrate. Wala. Sumagaysay again. Easy the ball from Sumagaysay. Again, Sibay. Cross. What a bang! Get some space. Okay, reserve ha. Nahatag ng bola. Get some space. Tumira. Sibay to numero 21. Behind the pack. Underneath. Underneath again. Power move. No good. Angelina is a big rebound. Angelina protect the ball to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay, easy the ball against Gaborno. Cross, up. Out of control. Sumagaysay again. Continue. Underneath, steal the ball. GDR ball. Sibay. Rushing away by Sibay. Sibay nag-iisa, nabitawan. Angelina to Sumagaysay. Up. GDR. Numero 13. Underneath. Numero? Yes. Timeout called by referee from GDR. GDR timeout. Next game, prepare for may harap pa isa, lipatan ko. Effort gali, effort. Thank you for effort. Kung wala ka, walang basketball, damo adik. Play. Bato-bato sa langit. Ang tawaan, ang tawaan, galagtek.
2 minutes.
From the middle. Power move by Kamangal. Outside. Yes!
2 points.
Bilangguan. Doon nag-practice na ni si ano. Sa una daw ay ni Gaboy sa layo. Subo. Oh, big rebound by Angelina. Angelina protect the ball. Back to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay. Easy the ball. Back to Bakotok. 1 minute 30. Underneath. Big boy. Wow! Pasabit. Pero walang sumabit. GDR again. GDR continue from the middle underneath. Huwag ganito na pasa. Op, big rebound by Logo. Op. It's a jump ball called by referee. Same ball. Ilaman dyan po ng bola. 1 minute 12. Sip again. Attempt. Big rebound goes to Cardano. Pull up. No good. Big rebound to big boy. Big boy rushing away. 1 minute. Big boy to MVP season 1. Wow! Wala galing. Another second chance for J-Lord. Proud of Parutak. Minute read. Dako na. Alin na. Wala.
Again.
Big boy. Okay. Dako na. Apat ka na. Bago kita, tiki ka tulong sa toko. Okay, bonus shot. 45 seconds. Bonus shot for Kabangal. Wala. Rebound for GDR. 40 seconds. Cross. Guarded by Kabangal. Yes, what a pull up. Proud of Okman Doriao. 30. Last touch by GDR. 25 remaining, 25 seconds. Angelada again. 20. MVP susunwan. Wala. 15. Big rebound by GDR. GDR to numero 21 rushing away. 10. Sibay. Wow. 5. Wala. Sibay again. Second chance. What a buzzer beater from Sibay. What a hard work from Sibay. Isa sa pinakamagaling sa larangan ng basketball from GDR. 11-21. Oh, ang migo naton. My friend Tabales. Oh, sunod. Second set, ang wala pa kampang pasok.
Okay lang, uniform. Ang uniform lang.
Basketball lang tayo, basketball ha. Makita-kita tayo sa daan, magkaibigan pa rin tayo ha. Okay, play. Okay, padayon. Second set from GDR, Mijares. Doble dos. Uy, duwa ang Mijares, may number 10 pagit. Underneath, 26, running shot, wala. Rebound goes to Tregua. 10 to shoot. Gumarino.
5 to shoot.
Oh.
3 points.
May big boy sila subong, may big boy. Doble. Shit.
Big boy.
Up. There's a line violation from numero doble dos. Pineda. Pregua to 26. To big boy. Oh, pick. Underneath. Running shot again. Wow. Ang galing naman, no? Kuha pa. Plus 2 for J-Lord. Pass to numero Jess. Doble dos. Back to Jess. Mijares. Doble dos again. Up. It's a call by referee. It's a traveler violation. Inbound by J-Lord. Pregua. To 4-3. Big rebound, second chance underneath. Pulling away. Wala. Up. It's a last touch from J-Lord. GDR again. It's Wallace. Wala. Big rebound by J-Lord. 17. Up. Still by GDR. Doble dos. GDR protect the ball against Pregua. Pass to numero 13. Numero 13. Back to 7. Turn around. Underneath. Big. Binali. Wala. Pass break to numero 26 against 13. Turn around. Wow! Galing sana. Kaya lang di pumasok. Rebound na doble dos. Doble dos again. Pineda against Pregua. From the mesa. Wala. Tumira. Wala. Big rebound by numero big man. Pregua again. Pregua against 13. Penetrate, Pregua, turn around. Yes. 15. 2 points by numero 15. Calcena. Tumira Wallace, wala. Second chance by Wales. Wala pa rin. Big rebound by numero 4-3. Underneath by Pregua. Running shot. Yes.
2 points, 15. Tema to.
Oh, palapit eh, palapit.
Pa-reserve ka mo time out.
Reserve. From the rainbow shot. Yes. Numero 13.
Time out.
Reserve lang ha, reserve.
Time out.
Mag-dead ball. Okay, time out. Called by GDR. GDR, time out.
Score, 11:30. Back to the ball game.
Pineda to Calcena pass from Mijares. Pineda, yes. Simple lang ha, pero shoot. Pineda.
Nonoy narang nonoy.
Pregua. Whoop. It's a foul counted.
Foul counted.
Also then first foul. Official score 16-32. Momoped.
Counted. Bonus shot for Indencio.
Wagan is quarter. 34-16.
Official score 34-16. Mesa from the middle. Running shot. Wala. Big rebound by Gerald. Gerald to. Looking for a pass. Underneath. Up. Is the last touch. Bola sang GDR. Penetrate. Underneath, BRS, wala, big rebound, yes! Another foul counted, oh. 4-3. Basket, foul counted.
48 mo na o 43?
Ready for rebound, it's a bonus shot, ready. Wala, rebound by Gelard, 43 to Pregua. Pregua rushing away against Tracy underneath. Back to Pregua. Ang galing ng pasahan. It's a pasa. Calcena against Pregua. Double team. Pass to numero 10. Mijares looking for a pass. Pass to perimeter. Attempt. No good. Big rebound by Gelard. Gerald numero rushing away, 26, back to 17. Side step, underneath, back to Pregua. Pick! Ang galing naman.
17 2 points
Kuha pa yun. Ang hirap.
with foul.
It's a bonus shot for Gerald. Triangle offense, triangle defense. Ready for rebound.
Isa pa.
Rebound, GDR. Pass to Calcena.
Sila time out.
Calcena naghahanap ng pabasan. Penetrate. Underneath. Ang galing ng kuhot. Time out. Jaylor. Score.
Score.
20-38. 18 lang, 18.
to the ball game. Laba ni
Rego again. Numero 14, up. Power move, up, behind the pass. Still by Calcena. Calcena rushing away. 1 minute. Remaining time, 1 minute. Then?
Tamig to dia.
50. Prego again. Back to number 26. Prego. 10 to shoot. 17. Nilakad. Wala. Big rebound by GDR. GDR Wallace. Pass to penetrate. Up. Wala. 27. Remaining time. 27 seconds. Right? 27 seconds, ha? 27 seconds. Calcena from the outside. Wala. Big rebound to GDR. Power move from the outside. Yes!
Number 7.
What a balloon shot. 15 from numero 7. 10. 5. No more time. End of the second set. 38-22. Official score. Official score 22-38. Ang abanse 16.
Back to the ball game.
Pabona to Bacolado, point guard, teardrops, yes!
2 points.
Easy to from
Citro. One plus count.
GDR, pumasok, wala, dumiretso.
One plus.
Still, Gerard again.
Live plus, kompleto do atin.
18 penetrate, underneath, rebound, goes to up. Is a last touch, called by referee. Ang ginaulat kong hampang, Vikings, and Momoped. Sadya ni. Tingnan natin.
Hanggang saan?
Double zero is a foul committed by numero 39. Double zero. Penetrate again. Kinaliwa. Big rebound by. Pass break to Bacolado. What a speedy with a looking shot. Yes! 2 points by Bacolado. Ay, Jalipe. Tapos git.
Sakit chan mo ni. GDR again. Penetrate. Jump shot. No good. Big rebound by. Oop. It's a last touch by GDR.
Break kami.
Oh, sige, sige. Bacolado, underneath 18. Wow, bilangguan. Simple ka lang, ha? Marunong ka pala, ha? +2 from Jaylord. Estrella to numero 42. Estrella, balik. Wala. Big rebound to numero 3. Pass break again to Bacolado. Steal by double zero. Double zero, dribbling the ball. Protect the ball. Another. Continue. Wala. Big rebound by. Pass to numero 39. Penetrate. Wala. Continue. Up. It's a foul. Score. 22-44. I'm so excited. Vikings versus Momoped. Dalawang malakas. 42. Underneath. Protect the ball. Up. Still. Same ball. Numero 17. Dos. Numero 2. Still by Jaylord. Jaylord, pass break. Ang galing ng pasa. Bacolado, 18. Wow. Smooth ba? Pero siguro ba? Sige.
Number 82 points.
GDR again. Double zero. Trying to get inside. Underneath. Still by Bacolado. Bacolado, speed, pass break. Pabiona. Still. Pabiona again. Pass to 18. Up. Naboyan. Boss. Good afternoon.
2 minutes, 50.
2 minutes, 50. Okay, reserve. Wala munang uuwi. Manonood tayo. Dalawang malalakas na team. Let witness. It's a foul again. Time out. Jaylord.
22
Let
points.
witness. Kunsin o.
Back to the bargain. Third set.
Unang tira. Last throw. Miss rebound. Ready for rebound. Big rebound goes to Jaylord. Pass break again to Pabiona. Up. Is a last touch called by referee. Score 46-22. 1 minute 20 remaining time. From the rainbow shot, no good. It's outside. Ball position for Jaylord. Pabiona again. Pass break to Bacolado. Up.
Outside.
Another error from Jaylord.
1 minute 7.
1 minute and 7. JDR again. Pass to double zero. Estrella, pass to running shot by 42. Big rebound. Goes to. Back to 27. Pull up jump. Yes!
27, 2 points.
2 points by numero 27. Lastimosa.
40.
40 seconds. Cacho.
35.
Cacho underneath. 0-3. Yes! Pull up by 0-3. 30 seconds remaining time. Villanueva. 25. Estrella. Attempt na naman. Wala. 20. Tumira is 15. Big rebound by J-Lord. Pass break. What a speed. What a 10. Bacolado to Cacho. 5. Back to Bacolado. One hand. Yes. Very easy. Very calm. Very big ang abanse. 24. 26. 26 ng abanse.
Back to the ball game.
I'm so excited. Momoped versus Vikings. Labanan ng malalakas. Double zero.
Secret weapon.
The secret weapon. Double zero.
Good.
Change court.
Chin court.
Tingin na, diri na rin mo. Calcena attempt, no good. Big rebound, Angelada. Angelada to numero 17. Angelada. Pull up, wala. Rebound by Angelada. Attempt, yes. Nothing but net again. 2 points for Angelada. Calcena to Caborno. Caborno to Calcena. Numero 21. Wala. Big rebound by Angelada to Big Boy. Proud of Panate. Bakotok. Off. Still. Calcena to numero 21. Against Bakotok. To Pineda. Pineda pull up. Wala. Angelada is the big rebound. Sumagaysay, Season 1 MVP, penetrate, pass to numero 17. It's a body shot, no foul. Calcena to Caborno. Get some space, wala, big rebound up. Same ball, bola sang GDR. Inbound by numero 7 to Caborno. Numero 17, yes! Basta kaliwa, tanda.
Number 7.
South po move. Bakotok. Looking for a pass, 17. Back to Sumagaysay. Attempt. No good. Big rebound goes to Calcena. Calcena pass break quick. Still by Bakotok. Bakotok to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay against Calcena. Angelada. Big rebound to Big Boy. Power move. Oy! Big rebound by Calcena. Calcena. Pass to Caborno. Caborno 3-in-1. Bakotok. Pass to... Oy, sayang. 3-in-1 tani ba? Kopi. Bakotok. Paso Sumagaysay. Penetrate. Back to Bakotok. Attempt. Perimeter. Yes! It's a dos. Long 2. Too long. 2 points. Caborno. Another steal by Sumagaysay with a looking shot. Yes. Easy layup by Sumagaysay. Calcena to Miares. Miares. Pass to 21. Get some space. Wala. Big rebound. Still for the second chance. Hermano. Hermano. Pass to Calcena. Calcena trying to get inside. Numero 3, underneath. Yes. Angelada, tumakutok.
Number 13.
Sumagaysay, pull up, wala. Big rebound to 21. 21, continue. Wala. Second chance, yes.
Dead ball.
Mijares.
Dead ball.
Bakutok to Intencio. Signed by Easy. Back to Bakutok.
Yes kami tawa. Dead ball naman.
Bakutok. Still by Mijares. It's a blocky foul called by referee.
Sunod sab.
Sunod-sunod, pasok ang masab. Inbound by Mijares to Gaborno. Mijares again. Cutting by Calcena Binale. Ang galing naman ng bale.
32 points.
Easy to by Calcena. Score 56-32. Tregua, attempt. Wala. It's a big rebound by same ball.
Ay, adlock si mo, adlock sa. Galagyan din eh.
Back to Villanueva. Lambda long range. Oh, nothing but net. Inbound by Calcena. Pass break to Hermano. Big rebound by Intencio. Intencio is the ball by Intencio. Pass to Pregua. Pregua to Intencio. Underneath. Still. Mijares again. Numero 7. Quick pass to Caborno. With a looking shot.
Counted. 3 points.
Easy to again by Caborno. Score 34-56.
Dead ball lang, dead ball. Dead ball.
Mag-dead ball lang.
Dead ball po ka. Kung mapagdas doon.
Running shot, wala. Ang ganding sa harap. Another by Mijares. Penetrate. Underneath. Caselna. Turn around. Get some outside. Penetrate. Running shot. Third drops. Wala pa rin. Second chance by Ribalot. Intencio. What a save by Sumagaysay. Wow! Wala ay sayang. Ang galing. Caborno. What a fake. Caborno again. Underneath. Calcena. Attempt. Wala. Big rebound to. Another second chance. GDR. 2 points. Mag-dead ball, boss. Hindi pwede. Sumagaysay against Pineda. Wow! Ang galing naman. What a Euro step.
Papaula, ma-foul bala.
Okay.
Tagwa.
It's a foul. Basta wala man din ball, continue na. Hindi na pwede kasama. Okay. Play.
Time remaining 6 minutes
6 minutes.
and 50.
Gaborno again. Get some inside. Yes.
3.
Galing.
Number
Ang
3, 2
buhay na.
points.
Pregua.
Score lang wagaw.
Pregua again. From Enzo. Time out mega reserve make. Ang ano mega GDR. Gamarino. Power move. Esa Black. Up. Time out. GDR.
6 minutes 20.
Score.
Remaining time. 6 minutes 20.
38, 58.
6 minutes 20.
Back to the ball game.
Pili na ako. Okay, continue. Inbound by J-Lord. To Pregua attempt. No good. Big rebound goes to. Continue by J. Wow. Ang galing. Binali. Villanueva. Calcena. Back to 22-point lead from J-Lord. Underneath. Perimeter doble. Wala. Big rebound by Logo Boy. To Pregua. Pregua against Calcena. Penetrate up. Oh! Carry the ball. Called by referee, carry the ball.
Si Carmelo.
Inbound by Pineda to Calcena. Easy by Calcena.
Dead ball lang, boss.
Back to numero 21 attempt. Big rebound to
Solod.
Sok. Sub.
Up. No ball.
Calcena again.
Buyot na, abot ka ron na. Maligo sa. Maligo si Buyot ka na, mabot sa.
Tab. Awa.
Type ultra.
Caborno inbound to Calcena.
Bilat siya moka.
Underneath, Caborno,
Number
yeah!
3, 2 points.
Mandoriao sa Oak-Proud by Caborno.
Kaborno.
Fabiona to Cacho. Cacho underneath, 4 minutes. Logo. Yes! Basta wala kaya tanda kaya ko, no? Ay, ho, no? Wow! Floating with a shot by GDR 21. Fabiola to Pregua. Pregua underneath. Wala. It's a foul. Wala pa. 3 fouls to give. Natag na mag-deadball ang reserve timeout for GDR.
Time out, Sab. Sab lang.
Asab lang. Ang malaki na, letter T mo. Wow! Ang galing naman ng dukot.
2 points.
2 points for GDI. 44-60. Naku po, 16 na lang.
Time out ko yan.
Logo continue, wala. Big rebound by Miares. To Caborno, Mandoriao sa Oak-Pride. Yes! Time out, GDR. Nainay na gano buo. Pila rin? 14 na lang na
46-60.
Oo, 14 na lang.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, continue. Bakotok. Toso Magaysay. Attempt. Wala. Big rebound. Second chance for J-Lord underneath. Hollywood. Ang ganda naman ng pasa na yun. Eye to eye contact. Villanueva to Bakotok. Ang galing ng pasa. Hermano to Gaborno. 1 and 50. Miares against Big rebound by, pass break to Sumagaysay. 2-1. Miares, Gaborno, nilakad. Wala. It's a big rebound for Gaborno. Gaborno against Angelada. Still by Jaylord. Bakotok and Sumagaysay. Oh, Lapaw. 125. Pineda. To Gaborno again. Attempt. Yes. Plus 2 for GDR. Score 1-10. 1 minute and 10. Villanueva. Back to Bacotok. Villanueva to Bacotok. Villanueva to Bacotok. Attempt. Gintuod-tuod yan na. Gintuod-tuod na. Plus 3. Plus 3 points. From Jaylord, the remaining time, 56 seconds. 56. Calcera, Miares attempt. Wala. 50. Rushing by Sumagaysay. Oh. It's a same ball. 41. 41 seconds remaining time. Another attempt. No good. Follow up by Sumagaysay. Plus 2. Sibay again. Oy, still by Pregua again Sibay. Get some space. Wala. Baite. Ang mali.
15.
15. Wow. It's a 3.
14 segundos.
14 segundos.
Number 7, 3 points.
It's a foul committed by GDR. 12 seconds. Ang natitira, 12 seconds. 10. Ready for the next game. 5. Counted. 2.
Mumupeda. Score 51-67. Daog ang Jaylord.